You know, not a lot of people know this, but when you taste at elevation, 40,000 feet, your sense of smell and your sense of taste changes and augments. Hi, I'm Jesse Rodriguez, sommelier from Magellan Jets. Here's 3 unique wines that you should consider tasting at elevation at that 40,000 feet. First, Chardonnay, specifically from this producer known as Perchance. This comes from the Beckstoffer Lake Vineyard. I always think of creamsicle, lemon meringue pie, really beautiful, just nostalgic childhood memories. Secondly, we're gonna go to a producer in Beaujolais known as Marcel Lapierre. So Gamay is the grape, comes from the cru known as Morgon. Côte de Puy is a small little Ludi or the vineyard site within Morgon. Think of strawberries, watermelon, cotton candy, pear drop, childhood times at the carnival. And lastly, I'd like to recommend one offering here that you should try at elevation. So this is the 2023 KHK Hillside. So I always think of this wine as mocha, chocolate, espresso, coffee tones to it. At 300 cases, the production is very limited. However, through Magellan Jets, clients can secure their own bottle or cases for their collection.